In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to Docusign and add contact details. Let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser. Head over to the Docusign website. This is the leading platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, so if you're looking to streamline your document processes, you're in the right place. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the login button. Give it a click. Now you'll need to enter your credentials to access your Docusign account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one before proceeding with these steps. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Docusign homepage. From here, you'll want to navigate to the admin section. It's typically located on your dashboard and may be represented with a gear icon. Clicking this will bring you to the admin dashboard where you manage integrations and other administrative settings. Next on the agenda is finding the Connect option. This will be available among the menu items and is essential for linking third-party services with your Docusign account, an incredibly useful feature if you aim to integrate Docusign with other applications you already use. After clicking Connect, you need to look for the Add Configuration option. This step allows you to set up a new connection configuration, which is vital if you're trying to link new services or automate your document workflow. Now let's move on to managing your profile. Start by clicking on Profile, which is usually located under Account Settings. This section allows you to personalize your Docusign experience to better fit your needs. Once you've adjusted your profile settings to your liking, navigate to My Preferences. Here, you can customize various settings, but for today's demonstration, we'll be focusing on contacts. In the Preferences section, you'll see an option labeled Contacts. Click on it to manage your contact list. This is where you can add, edit, or remove contact information, which is particularly useful if you frequently send documents to the same individuals or organizations. To wrap things up, let's add a new contact. At the top or bottom of the contact page, there should be an Add Contact button. Clicking this will prompt you to enter the new contact's information, such as their name and email address. Once you've filled out the necessary details, make sure to save. And just like that, you've successfully linked Docusign to your network and managed your contact details. If you find this tutorial helpful, consider exploring more features on Docusign to unleash its full potential for your document management needs. Thanks for tuning in and happy signing.